Hello everyone, this is Amir from FRAMINGSTOry. Today we will make our regular photo into pencil drawing, and this is really easy and quick. Let's make it. At first we will just copy the background layer, simply Ctrl and J. Next we will go to hue and saturation, and we will make the saturation -100. Next we will go to this layer, and we will convert this layer as color does. Now we'll invert this layer, just simply Ctrl and I to invert this layer. Now we'll have a plain background or photo. Now we'll go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and you can put the radius according to your requirement. You have to see the photo visible. You can make it around 20 to 25 or something like this. Okay, now we'll go to level. Now we'll push this bar little bit right side to get an effect. Okay, if you think this portion is too much, you can just make it minimum or reduce it. Just go to brush, choose a brush, and hardness is 0, opacity around 50 to 60. Now we'll clean it or reduce little bit. Just brush on it as your requirement. So we have got our pencil drawing in just a few minutes. Let's check before and after. This is really cool. If you like this tutorial, please hit the thumbs up button. For this kind of tutorial, please stay with us. Thank you for watching. See you in next tutorial.